Go. 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 Cool. Huh? Where I'll put this in the tummy.
Sure. Good morning, Indy.
It's not sticking.
Good morning. Good morning, princess.
It's not sticking though.
That's okay. Morning, guys. Good morning, Alo. Good morning. Getting ready, guys. Aalis kami ni Manay mamaya pagdating ni Dan. So, si Dan muna yung umalis. Tapos, kami sunod. Yung plano kasi sana, magma-Manly Beach kami today. Kasi hindi pa yun napuntahan ni Manay. Dadalhin sana namin siya doon. Kaya lang, wala kasi si Sharon at saka si Pete. Kasi pumunta sa apo ni Pete. Taga dito kasi yung anak, isang anak ni Pete. Taga Sydney. So, pumunta sa apo nila. Manood sila ng game ng apo. And, sabi ni Dan, para kasama sila sa Manly, bukas na lang tayo pumunta. And sabi niya, mag-shopping na lang kayo ni Manay. Diba? Hindi kasi kami nakapag-shopping ng damit kahapon. Kasi, after namin binili yung push present, close na yung mga clothing shops. So, gusto namin magtingin-tingin. And yeah, sabi ni Dan, mag-shopping kayo, basta dalhin mo lang si Ayla, okay na ako dito with Arlo and Indy. Diba? Ang bait ng daddy natin. So, kahapon binili ko yung push present ko. Kasi ito kay Ayla to eh. So, ito yung push present ni Dan sa akin for Ayla. Tapos ito kay Arlo. So, kailangan ko ng isa for Indy. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng wala si Indy. So, ayun, binili namin kahapon. So, suotin natin mamaya. Hindi ko pa na-open. Andun pa din sa Hindi pa nga nakikita ni Dan, pero nakita niya sa picture. Suot-suot ko yung dress from Yes Style. It's a denim dress. Tapos nag-ano lang ako. Haba siya. Ito lang yung perfume na dala ko this trip. Kasi yung iniisip ko is yung concert. Sabi ko ito, susuotin ko ito sa concert. Tapos hindi na ako nagdala ng ibang perfume. Okay din para magamit natin ito ng bongga. Sa lahat ng cherry scent sa Tom Ford, ito yung pinakagusto ko. Electric cherry. And then next is cherry smoke. Mabango din yun. Maglilip tint lang ako guys. Nasa bag ko. And then, kaklamp ko yung buho ko. And then I'm ready. Sige, pwede din. Yeah, pasok daw kami sa Tiffany. Meron akong gustong itry na bracelet para kay Indy. Para kay Indy, pero ako susuot. Kasi ito, meron na ako for Ayla and Arlo. Yung love bracelet kay Ayla yan. Yang isa kay Arlo. Naghanap ako para kay Indy.
Yeah, I can transport to Adelaide store. You can pick it up from there. Yeah.
Yan lang.
That's nice. You see? Yeah.
Seriously,
yeah.
It's not available.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is.
Yeah, it doesn't suit me.
Yeah, it's too many. Yeah, no, this
too
one
many.
no.
Yeah, too big for me.
See, I'm honest. Yeah, because I can say.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try. Let me try that.
That's for her. Ay, rose gold siya. Ako na talaga. Maganda naman. Maganda nga. Maganda. Ako na talaga guys, ang bumili ng bracelet. Rose gold pa pati.
Pero hindi siya yung
kaya super against rose gold. Ako hindi kasi bagay sa akin, pero yun hindi kasi siya sobrang rose gold. Yeah.
Hindi siya.
Parang nagbe-blend
Subtle
lang.
lang.
Itong dalawa din, hindi okay kasama. Parang mga buang, mas mako-convince pa una kaysa sa akin.
Ako parang...
Pag may sinabi si ate, sabi niya, oo nga.
Hindi kasi maganda talaga siya.
Oo nga, I agree.
Hindi, maganda nga.
Maganda naman.
Maganda talaga.
Maganda naman parang Maganda man. Hindi maganda.
Very subtle.
Very
So basically, color like that.
Thank you.
Pinapatry niya sa akin tong nut.
Look at it. Yeah, this one.
Ay,
Oh my God, you look like a millionaire. Oh my God, so beautiful.
Pesos. Pesos millionaire.
It's beautiful. Yeah, that's rose gold. Our rose gold is different.
For Christmas naman.
Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my crush. But I just know that it will...
This not unicorn. Yeah. So this is the meaning of love, promise. Usually this is the husband.
The husband
Yeah, you should tell my husband.
Buy this for them. Look at it.
We'll ask my husband to come here.
Yeah. We have a
That looks
model,
really nice.
come and buy Angela.
And then the ring.
Yeah.
Your name is Angela?
Angela T. Hang on. I want you to see.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
That looks really nice.
Oh my god, so beautiful.
Pati,
Yeah. This one, when you wear it, you gotta take it off this one. Yeah, take it off there for 1 second.
Yeah, just to see
the whole
Ganda. Sukatin ko rin yan. Sukatin ko rin.
6.5.
Actually, you know what? You look very good on you. This, yeah, all the jewelry. Yeah. So we got
That's
little.
rose gold.
Yeah.
Pero gold shoes para sa
Rose gold. This is rose gold. Very subtle. We are very different to the. Oh my god.
It is very sad. Yeah, it's very
Because the Cartier,
look.
gold siya sa akin. The Cartier rose gold is a bit bright.
That's small size, yeah?
Yeah.
Looks
Ganda siya.
yeah, gorgeous on you. Oh my god. Either your skin tone, is the diamond like this. Just
it just pops.
How much is that?
How much is that?
98.
how much?
30?
Damaging to the brain.
Not expensive. Just beautiful. You
But it's really nice, yeah.
But this is investment. Every time, you know what I mean? My friend buys so many things, right?
Nakita natin kay Dan. Nakita niya yung picture, pero hindi pa niya nakita sa personal. It's your bracelet, baby! Princess, it's your bracelet! Eddie will open it. So, tinry ko yung may diamonds. Itong isa pa, sabi-sabi pa, it's up to you. Do you like the diamonds? Huwag mo kang ginaganyan kasi ang ganda-ganda ng may diamonds. Look, Papa! It's yours! Pretty! Look, Indy! It's rose gold. Yeah. Look! Mommy will wear it. Yeah? So, ito siya. Pinak ni ate kagabi. Sobrang ano lang yun. Madalian kasi close na sila. And wala silang yellow gold. So, todo convince sa akin si ate na ang ganda-ganda da ng rose gold. Yung rose gold kasi ng Tiffany, hindi siya ganun ka rose gold talaga. So na-convince ako ni ate. Kasi hindi ako ma-rose gold talaga eh. But tama siya. Just like, para maiba naman. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Kung dito siguro. That's nice. That's nice. Indie girl, look, Papa.
So today you're just looking at stuff?
Yeah. No, I was planning on buying clothes yesterday. I was like, let's buy clothes. We walked to where you were at George Street, and we saw Tiffany, and the girls were like, just go, just check it out, And the mga enabler yung dalawa. Kasi ayoko sana, sabi ko, no, I don't want rose gold. Ayoko talaga ng rose gold. And they don't have the yellow gold in stock in Australia at all. They have to order it from overseas and then get it delivered. I was like, okay, that's alright. I'll just do it in Adelaide. And then she was very persistent. She's like, just try it on. Just have a look. Walk around. Check in the mirror. Because you can't even tell that it's rose gold. And she's right. Like, you can't even tell. And then I tried the yellow gold, the malaki. Kasi meron silang yellow gold but not my size. And she's like, see, you look too yellow now. And she was right. It was a more gold than the Cartier. Cartier is like more subtle compared to the Tiffany one. And yeah, parang masyado na siyang yellow talaga. So sabi niya, to break it up a bit. And then the two girls were like, yeah, she's right. She's actually right. And ito yung pinili ni Dan because I was looking at Tiffany Luck, yung two-tone, silver at saka gold. That one didn't look very good. It's nice and simple, but ito sabi ni Dan, itry mo to kasi parang maganda to. And yeah, ito nga yung nagustuhan ko yung tea. Ang cute niya. When I told her that I'm buying it, and she was like preparing it and all that, she had us try the Tiffany twist with like diamonds, and it looked really, 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 really good. She was just like, just try it, like, you know, just for future reference, or you might want to ask your husband to come here and see me. It's, guess how much? Me and the girls went to have dinner. It was a Chinese restaurant that we had dinner, and there's a fortune cookie. In the fortune cookie, there are numbers at the back. If one of us wins, she will pay for a trip to Sydney, and we will eat there again. What do you want? Dito na naman kami sa Starbucks. May dala-dala kami batang nagre-reklamo na.
Wala pa nga eh.
Wala pa nga tayo sa shop. Nagre-reklamo na yung isa, guys. Good luck sa atin itong katagal ba kaya tayo. Uy,
Ano yan?
what do you want?
Nag-alarm na naman.
Hindi naman yan atin, di ba? Kain tayo. Banana bread at saka Java chip. Kaya Here, ate.
What? Doing? Oh, it's going on.
Yung mukha niya. Sira yung mukha niya. Hindi naman kasi. Hindi niya bet yung ano, yung cookies.
Mom,
Yan?
the bird fall out.
Really?
Yeah.
Kaya nga, tingnan mo itong mga batang to. Kung ano lang makita, bibili na hindi kakainin. Tatapon lang talaga tayo ng pera.
Lumipat kayo dito sa labas.
Ayla.
Sa baba ng table sa loob.
Yung sprinkles. Hala. Ayaw na tayo. Mamaya.
Ay, ang binigay niya sa akin eh.
Ah, gusto ko yan.
Gusto mo? Sige.
Oo. Hindi mo yan gusto?
Hindi ko yan
Ito yung gusto ko na part.
And,
O, kunan mo ng konti ito para fair.
parang buwang lang din. Uy, hindi na pantay. Oh,
Kunan mo, para fair. Yeah, gusto ko yung ganito.
yeah, yung end. Hindi
Oo.
ko yan, ano. Oh, akala ko siya, ay, sa uli mo yung, oh, yung
Hindi,
gusto
gusto
ko.
That was Tita Mars here.
Oh no, she's not here. Oh, yeah pala guys.
Yes,
Buti na may,
Wala na pala si Mars.
Did I with Tita Mars?
Yeah, we were here.
Oh yeah, we were here with Tita Mars yesterday. Umuwi na si Inday kanina. Yan na umaga.
What do birdies eat?
Cookies.
Huh? Get them in the cookie.
No, don't give them cookies.
Why?
You eat your cookies before the birds eat it.
Yeah.
Bibigay na tuloy sa bird.
Social ng bird, naka...
May gusto ka bang bili? Ayun, Dyson.
Dyson.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Gusto ko nga tingin-tingin ng dami.
Wow, nakakapag-parang tayo.
Kaya nga eh. Tagal ko na hindi nakakapag-Zara. Tapos promise magde-declutter na talaga ako. Kahit na paunti-unti. Kailangan ko i-declutter yung mga damit ko.
Kulang ang butter, no?
Kulang? Ah, ito. Ah, sa'yo na yan.
Thank you.
Hello. So, sana hindi to biglang sumigaw itong bata. Pagpagod pa naman to bigla lang sumisigaw. Ha?
Hindi, naninigas siya. Naninigas siya pag gano'n.
Mga ganun. Dito na kami sa Westfield. Naglakad lang kami, guys. So, it was like around 10-minute walk.
Oh, ang ganda lang.
Yeah.
Parang wala lang.
Okay lang, chika-chika lang kami, sis. Inom-inom. Hindi namin napansin, nandito na pala kami. Yeah. Budol number 1. Tagal ko na sinasabi sa kanya, bilhin na to. Oh. Maganda yan, hindi pa yan nagba-vibrate. Bagong-bago pa yan. Yung akin, naghihingalo na. Dito kami sa Fresh Soul. Itatry ko tong dress na to. Kasi meron kaming ate na birthday na yung theme is either pastel or floral. So, try lang natin. Ayan. Loewe. Yung crush ko na bag. Dito na naman. Ang cute-cute. Yung wristlet to. Ang cute. In-adjust ko yung strap. Tinak-in ko dito. Ay. Ang gara. Check out.
Doon ka, dito ako.
Check
out to, diba?
Oo. Check out din yan.
Ate, dapat
Dito pala kami sa Uniqlo, guys. Pero paalis na kami. Thank you, sis. Binigyan, nag-shopping ako, tapos siya nagbayad.
Regalo naman yun.
Regalo daw.
Regalo ko kasi
Sabi
wala
ko
kang
nga-
regalo sa kanya.
Sabi ko nga, sana dinamihan ko. Konti lang yun.
Namihan niya daw.
Sana dinamihan ko da. Tayo na talaga nandito sa Pop Mart. Ito na talagang si sis ang bibili ng labogbog.
Yun ang bibili ko, sister.
Hindi ko to maintindihan, guys. Hindi ko to gets. Pero, alam mo naman, support lang tayo kay sis. Oh, ang cute naman. Ang cute naman ito. Ito, lagay mo sa garage mo. Ayla, that's cute. I think you will like this, ate. They will have some mystery bags here. Mystery bags. Ito yung cute, yung Teletubbies. Ang cute. Oh my gosh. Ayla, this one.
So cute. No, we're not getting it. Yeah, we don't need it. But it's cute. No, mas maganda yan. Yan na lang, oh. Ano, Care Bears. You can't go wrong. Kahit anong kulay. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nila, oh. Nakikipagsiksikan si Chona and my kids doon, oh. Kinain na ng labugbog. Wala? Oh, there you go! Tapos na kami sa Labubu. Dito na kami sa Zara. May mga nadala na ako, guys. Kaya lang ang haba ng pila. So, dapat, kunin mo lahat ng gusto mo i-try para isahan na lang. Haba ng pila. Ano, sis?
Tulog ng bata.
Kaya nga, oo nga pala. Ayan, oh, nag-vibrate na. Tulog na siya, guys.
Nakakapagod pala eh.
Yeah. Dito si Kumari, oh. Settle down.
Para makita natin ang kukuhan.
Ah, tara.
Tayo na saan?
Sharina? Yeah. Sabihin
ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutan sumaan na ako'y sa'yo at iayagin
Salita.
We will try that.
If you're paying on your card,
Yeah.
you can just tap here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Share tayo. Try namin yung caviar, guys. Share.
Papasosyal kami.
Papasosyal kami tonight. Ay Update. 6 na, guys. And pauwi na kami. Pero stop muna tayo ng Paul saglit. Bili tayo ng cream cheese para sa ating caviar. Cheese. Ah, bili tayo din ng sparkling water. To store. Kaya nga, nandun ay. May nirecommend si kuya na cheese. Creme fresh. Yung pag-pronounce niya. Creme fresh. May mga cheese dito, oh. Wait, ayun. Ayan, may cream cheese dito. Pero ibang klase ng cream cheese. Hindi siya yung creme fresh. Bula yun eh.
Bula?
Yeah. Bula na creme fresh.
Dito. Oh, yun na pala kayo. Gala siya tinaba.
Yeah.
Ang daming walking na. Okay, let's go.
Okay ka lang? Oo, di ba? Ako sa kabila. Yeah. Naglalakad na kami pa uwi. Hindi namin nahanap yung creme fresh na cheese. Very specific pa naman. Dapat yun daw, sabi ni kuya. Bibili sana kami sa kanya, kaya lang wala na siya. Naubusan na siya. So, meron sa supermarket, Bula na brand, wala man. Tapos wala din kahit ibang brand na ganun, creme fresh, wala din. So, hindi namin alam saan namin ito bibilhin itong creme fresh na ito. Paano na itong ating caviar.
For 3 hours lang siya maglalas sa labas.
Kaya nga, kami na talaga magta-try ng caviar. Nainggit si sis. Meron kasi nga order din ng caviar. Sabi niya, gusto may try natin. Sabi niya, $40 lang.
Ayaw pala yung orange.
Sabi niya, $40 lang. Sabi ko, sige, try natin ng caviar. Pag sabi namin, can we get the cheapest caviar, $40? Oh no, that's salmon. So, yung pinaka-cheap pala na caviar yun. Hindi natin binili yung cheapest actually.
Hindi.
Second. Yeah.
Ano.
Second up. Second up.
Yung gold ang pinaka.
Yeah. Sabi niya kasi salty daw yun, yung pinaka-cheap. So we went for...
yung pinaka-expensive.
Hindi yung pinaka-cheap, salty, kaya hindi na itong binili.
Ah,
Yeah, kasi gusto natin light lang. Kasi sa first time natin mag-try. Hello, Alam! Hello, Alam! Aww! Nagpasundo kami guys kasi wala akong key. Nakisharon yung key. Wow! Sorry? Okay. Yeah. Aww, sweetie pie. Wow!
I gave that to him, Dad.
Aww, I gave that to him, Dad.
Yeah.
Shopping ka, sis?
I love it.
You love it? What do you say to ate?
Thank you.
Aww.
and Ate has something for you too.
Oh, ate's got a present
Did
for
you
you.
go shopping, Isla?
Yeah.
Do you spend lots of money?
Where's the present?
Where's the present?
What are these?
I
want
we'll see. I think it's here, in this one here. She got a present from Tita Manay Daddy for her birthday. Very lucky girl.
What's this?
What's that?
What's
It's
that,
a
Baba?
squishy.
Oh, the Ricky.
Yeah. My love, we're trying caviar tonight.
what?
Daddy.
Caviar.
Caviar.
Yeah. Have you tried it before? Is it good?
It's fishing.
Like the real caviar, the black one, not the
You
salmon.
try it?
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Nothing special.
Really?
Allah. Yeah, the guy said it just tastes like fish.
But we wanna try.
Are you happy, Alo? Aww. Alo, I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. Aww, I love you.
Go in.
Going. Move.
Come on. Aww. Alo, did you miss me? Aww. Were you good to Dada?
Ilagay natin yun sa...
Yeah. Oh, na-miss niya yung ate niyo. Did you miss ate? Oh.
Is this Ruby?
Oh. Ayla sharing her food. Yellow. Ah. Wala akong napakita na kung ano yung binili ko. Wala akong pinakita na nag-try on ako. Pero meron hindi ka Hindi ako nag-vlog sa ano. Nagmamadali ako eh. Sa mga fitting room ba? Ay, hindi tayo nakabili ng tubig. Hindi tayo nakabili ng tubig.
Kasi wala yung... Sa isip mo. Mamaya, pagbaba.
Uminom ka. Hindi ka nakainom. Habang malamig-lamig pa. Bili na sana kami kasi sa Coles. Dala-dala ko na. Kaya lang wala yung cream cheese. Sabi ko, doon na lang tayo sa kabila. Bumili ng tubig para isahan na lang. Eh, wala nga. Ang ganda ng paano nila doon.
Paper pa.
Pabag. Ano lang yan guys, cracker para sa cheese platter namin mamaya. Kami na talaga magja-Japanese restaurant tapos magja-cheese platter pa mamayang gabi. Busin namin yung aming muscato. Kunin ko yung binili ko para sa aking asawa na sana hindi magalit. Kasi alam nyo naman yan, nagagalit pag binibilhan. Uniqlo! Dito yung regalo ni Manay sa akin. Si Manay na talaga niya regalo sa akin. Oh, let's see what Mommy got. Oh, Arlo, this is Ate's present for you. Ayla was eating this and she's like, save this for Arlo. Come on, Arlo. Ate loves this one. What do you say? What? What did he say?
He said Rudy.
Oh, this is good.
Put your toys in there and want them to go.
Ay, binilhan ko sila ng ano, damit. Ito yung binili kong damit. Ay, hindi ko pala binili. Pinili ko, tapos si Manay nagbayad kasi ano niya daw sa akin present. So, ano lang siya? Yung basic. Yeah. Supima cotton short sleeve crew neck t-shirt. So, I got it in 4 colors. Kasi, ano lang naman sana. Hindi ko naman bibilhin ito marami. Si Manay kasi yung nag-ano. Colors mo na. So, ang dami tuloy kulay. Ito, maganda siya. Ka-partner ng leggings ba? Pag nag-ano kami ni Arlo, nagsisport. Every Friday.
Maganda, malamig.
Kaya nga, malamig din yung tela niya. And then, ito naka-sale to guys. Ano na lang siguro, 15 na lang from 20. From 20, yeah, 1990. Para kay, Danny Boy. Kasi medyo malaki siya. Parang wide siya ba na fit. So sana, Malab, I got this for you. Because you need more t-shirts. I got it in brown and in black. Dito kami sa restaurant. Kasama namin naman si Arlo this time at saka si Daddy. Si Ayla na iwan kay Nana at saka kay Papi. Yeah.
Bugas na put your bugas there?
Ayla. Oh. Ayla's not here.
No. Pengi pang kimchi nasa siya.
So, pagdating ni Sharon at saka ni Pete, tulog si Indy. So, iniwan lang namin si Indy. Tapos si Ayla gusto magpaiwan. So, nag-iwan din si Ayla doon. So, kami lang dito. Kakain kami ramen. Kami na talaga. Malapit lang to guys. Nandyan lang yung hotel natin. Sa likod lang. Go Chu. Taasan na ba yun?
Yeah, go shoe.
Go Chu, yeah.
Ma.
Yes, baby. Yeah, it's alright.
We're ready to order? Yes. Yeah. We'll go one edamame. Yep. And then the gyoza. And then the tempura combination. Yep. And then for them, can we get the chicken katsu curry and rice, but put the curry sauce on the side?
In a bowl?
Yeah. And then I'll go number 66, please.
I'll go 68, please.
And 68?
Yeah, two.
Yeah. Do you want it spicy?
Spicy, can I make it spicy?
Bubbles.
You make bubbles?
Oh my God.
See?
I see.
Aww.
I drink it.
You drink it? Yeah, please drink it. Is it yummy? Who's your favorite? Tito Jan, Tita Manay? Who?
Which one?
Tito Jan or Tita Manay? Kuya Zach or Ate Holly?
Okay, go.
Aww. You got water too. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. That's good. We're gonna...
Nice. Thanks.
Bubbles.
Hello.
2 drinks, Ali. Lucky boy. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you. Cheers.
Tempura combination. Looks good.
Mama.
What do you want?
What do you want? Yo, go get
Definitely
it.
a finger in it.
Go get it.
Gyoza, 6 yan kanina, 4 na lang. Kain pa more. Na-realize namin, hindi pa pala kami kumakain. Nag-banana bread lang tayo kaninang umaga. And then, wala kaming
Java
snack.
chip, yun lang.
Oh, yeah. Tapos yung chips na binili natin. Yun lang, chips. Tapos anong oras na? 9:00 na ata, guys. Yeah. Na-stuck kami kanina kasi pumunta sa apartment, umakyat sa apartment yung anak ni Pete. So, chika-chika muna kami. So, napalate yung baba namin. Yeah. Ikaw, okay ka lang? Sabi ni Mone kanina, magpa-fasting ba tayo?
Kasi yung plano natin, kaya lang tayo.
Kaya nga
I found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Ayun yung may soup.
We ordered katsu for Arlo. Ano yan siya? Curry katsu, but we separated the curry kasi baka hindi kainin. Yummy, Arlo? Oh, and he wants chicken too, so there's chicken there. May soup din. Bakit gusto mo yun ng soup? Yeah. My ramen is here. I ordered chisen, ramen na spicy. So it's got roast pork.
No, not all of them, boy.
Ang kapal ng pork.
Pagkapal. Ang
Yeah.
sarap nung nakainan ko sa BGC. Kaya,
Yeah.
hinahanap
Kain
ko
tayo.
namin, wala.
Yeah, probably, buddy.
Oh shit, spicy?
Spicy?
Yeah.
Really spicy?
No, because I had this part.
Chili oil.
And they hot.
That's good.
Bleeding white.
Hindi ka na ba niya?
Cheers.
Oh, yung parang ang sarap kasi ang lamig. Yes.
Sarap talaga pag pink moscato.
Pag pink una. Oo, no? Kahit ano, no? Pag yung puti, asim-asim.
Na sparkling. Sparkling to eh.
Ay, sparkling nga. Pink Moscato. Yeah. Sarap.
Whispers. Magkakabear kami. And then the cracker.
Cracker,
Yes, please.
Tayo talaga dalawa. Kinuha pa natin yung 50 grams.
Uy, nawala ka sa focus. Oh my gosh, look at your camera.
Talaga na, paano na ayan na.
Yeah.
Ayan siya, oh. Yan po, may pa-ice pack siyang sarili. Kit itong baunan ng lolo.
Yes! Yan sa mga bata.
Kit siyang baunan na grapes.
Yeah, ang galing naman yan.
Ay, ano nga yun?
Tinuruan
din tayo.
Cochelio. Yeah.
Nag-1,000 steps mo.
Siberian Anadach. Tsaka yung focusing nito. Tsaka yung focus ng camera mo.
Kaya nga wala
Ito yun, dumilim ka na naman.
Sige na lang sa'yo.
Ganda.
Panoorin nyo lang yung kanya.
Off mo
mas malinaw. Oy.
Sabi ko nga.
Hindi ko kasalanan.
Makita yung pa nagbibigay sa pizza.
So, ang sabi niya, ganun-ganun lang.
Tapos, yeah, that.
Okay na.
Na-open na?
Oo.
Ay.
Ano na, click na. Gusto yung natapon. Para siyang tiger bound yung ginawa sa'yo.
Napaka-cheap.
Ayan na.
Pero sa tiger bomb.
Hindi yung kasi ay, are you ready?
Yeah, sige na.
Shala, may pagka-VR. Black talaga siya. Sa akin, black na black na.
Akala ko mas malaki dyan na itlog.
Hindi,
Maliit pala
ganun
talaga siya.
Yung malaki, yung orange.
Salmon.
Salmon yan. Salmon yan. Ay, Instagram naman to eh.
Kaya nga, sige, tapos cream cheese na mali pa.
Ganun na siya.
Sabi kasi ni Manay kanina. Sabi niya kanina, hala, itry natin yung caviar, $40 lang. So, sabi ko kay Kuya, can we please try your $40 caviar? Sabi niya, oh, that's salmon. Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Kasi hindi naman, kasi yung lahat din, wala naman kasi nakasabing caviar, lahat lang siyang prices. Tapos ganito yung mga nandun. So akala ko, yung pinakamalit lang kunin namin.
$40 lang.
$40.
So this one is mga 129 pero naka-sale. Ay,
149 tapos
149.
149.
Pero naka-sale siya, 25% off.
Oo.
Para lang namin matry. Tingnan, abangan nyo lang, baka nag-aksaya lang kami ng pera.
Wala naman. So, caviar. Ang dilim man, no? Masastify. Ang dilim ng caviar. Doon ko muna ilagay. Wait lang ka.
On mo muna yung ilaw dito.
Doon na lang. Picturean ko lang
Pag
naman.
yan talaga nagtapon. Pag yan nagtapon talaga. Ay, naku naman. Alam mo na, pag nagustuhan mo yan, tapos babalik ka kay Kuya bukas, bili ka marami. Anong gagawin mo?
Wala, hindi.
So, ang dami mo ng baonan. Nakulikta pala ng
Kuha ko
baonan.
ng tatlo, no? Ayan, at least,
Ang dami niyan, 50 grams.
Oo.
Yes.
Where did you put all the toys?
Walang amoy. Kasi sabi, tinanong namin kung anong lasa. Sabi, tastes like fish.
Parang
Wala.
sana masarap.
What toy, baby?
What toy?
I don't know.
I think Alo hit it. Go ask Alo.
Gising na siya.
Dilat na yung ano. So, ilagay mo na dito.
Ayan sa'yo. Meron
Sige,
pa
try.
akong isa.
Try mo.
Sabay tayo.
Sige. Paano pag nagustuhan natin to? Ang mahal
Ang mahal
naman.
ng bisyo natin.
50 grams man.
50 grams, 114. Pag naka-sale, 100 ano.
Oo.
Uy, wag mong didilaan to.
Sa'yo. Ang dilim-dilim yung sa'yo.
Ano magagawa
Ilipat
ko?
mo nga. I-try mo ilipat. Dito ka nga Dito ka. Para, dilim-dilim. Para man lang.
Caviar.
Parang yung mukha mo caviar.
Alam mo, bago pa natin
yung sa'yo, madilim. Yung akin naman, vibrate ng vibrate. Ang sarap sa pakin din ng camera to.
Makisama kayo ngayon lang sa caviar.
Ay, naiinis ako.
Tapos namatay na naman to. Alam niyo na, tapos nag-leak na. Wala na, namatay na yung atin. Hindi ito yung totoong cheese dapat dito. Dapat, kaso hindi namin mahanap. Okay, ready? Dito daw muna para daw mag-warm.
Ang dami naman ang sa'yo.
Alas, 5 lang.
Okay, sige.
5 lang?
Ay, natatay yung isa. May pa-caviar din siya. Okay, sige.
Cheers.
Try natin. Cheers.
Cheers. Ano to? Tequila na lang ang kulang. Tsaka lemon.
Sige daw. Face it. Ready? Ang linaw na sa'yo. Mas malinaw pa sa akin.
1, 2, 3. Ay, creamy, ma'am. Ano siya? Maalat.
Yeah.
No?
Shit, parang masarap.
Masarap. Parang creamy, no?
Yeah, very creamy.
Masarap. Try pa nga.
Masarap. Naubos.
Hindi na cheese.
Masarap.
Masarap siya. Kasi sabi yung isa, very salty. Ito, salt, okay naman. Pero sabi niya fishy. Hindi naman, no? Fishy ba? Ano? Hindi ko maano. Isa pa nga.
Parang yung parang tiyan ng salmon?
Yun
Ganun
yung
texture.
orange. Oy, pero yung
Yung
lasa
tiyan niya
iba.
ba?
Sorry guys, hindi namin ma-explain. Parang naman itong perfume.
Hindi, yung in-expect ko kasi parang
Magpa-pop.
mag-burst.
Oh yes.
Hindi.
Ako din, hindi rin.
Nagme-melt lang siya.
Parang ang creamy.
Very creamy. Nagme-melt lang siya. Akala ko
Parang
mag-popping boba.
Oh yeah, parang siya magpa-pop. Alam mo yun?
Hindi siya nagpa-pop. Try ko nga with cheese.
Wala, ito. Sure ka na, satisfied ka na doon? Sa pag mo? Ayan. Parang doon dito. Wala siyang amoy na?
Wala mang amoy.
Pero kasi sabi nung explain ni Kuya, kasi tinanong talaga namin kasi hindi siya birong bili sa ganyan ka small. Parang the more na ninanam, the more na masarap siya, no? Ano?
So slight na to kasi sabi niya
May
may
salty.
may salty pa dito.
May pearl gold, di ba? May tawag sila doon. Gusto ko. Bet mo. I like.
Okay din.
That's why you're eating.
Yeah, so tapos sa cheese, dapat daw eto. So natin.
Huh? Who did this?
You're wearing different pajamas again. Daddy, can you change Indy?
Dad, I didn't tell Mom. Mom, I didn't tell Mom.
Ooh, nice. May cheese na siya. Cream cheese lang siya. Regular.
Yes,
Di, sabi ko, ito na muna sana. Walang cheese muna. Sarap.
You wanna try the caviar? Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Make it for me.
Do you wanna try it first without?
No, have cream cheese and
yeah.
then the caviar. Otherwise, it'd be
It's nice actually.
It's
No,
nice.
it's not dry at
really
all.
nice. It wouldn't be good. It'd be
Really good.
nice.
Really good.
It's like so expensive, girls. But you're right. When are you going to try it?
Yeah, that's right. Try it now here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Very nice. Very nice with cheese. Oh my god, this is a bad habit if you're gonna love the caviar.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
nice.
No, sarap. Gusto ko. No?
Yeah.
Come on. This is 50 because we're not gonna finish this. This is a lot.
Yeah, but you have to try it too.
Yeah. Come on. Let's
Yeah, let's.
masarap.
Yeah, masarap.
Meron nito
You've got
sa
a friend with
Adelaide?
you.
Meron ba nito sa Adelaide? Sa restaurant lang yata niya.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, di ba? Kaya na-convince din kami kasi sila raw yung nagsusupply sa mga restaurant dito sa Sydney. Pete, do you wanna try?
Caviar.
Caviar. Sure?
It's nice actually.
It's very nice.
Yeah, you
Come
like
on.
it?
Come on, come
There's not
on.
much food today.
Chocolate.
It's
not
No, what's
chocolate.
this?
That's good. No?
I'm full.
Are you sure? One more.
No, no more.
No, sarap.
It's not ice cream, it's cheese.
But the guy recommend us with different cheese. fresh, what you call that? Fresh cheese?
Oh,
Cream.
fresh cheese.
Yeah.
No,
but
cream
we-
fresh.
Cream fresh, but we couldn't find it.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right.
Yeah, but it's
Cream fresh. I
yeah,
don't know.
something. But we couldn't find, so we just get the regular one because they got.
Not the soft cheese.
No,
It
not-
is soft. Yeah, I like it without the cream cheese actually.
Dog?
Yeah, without the cream cheese. Try it without the cream cheese. Yeah.
Yeah.
I reckon that soft cheese I got in there would be better.
Yeah, try it
It's,
without it. It's nice and very
Yeah.
It's not as salty. So he suggested a light one. So this is a lighter version.
If it's a
Yeah.
first timer.
Yeah, I reckon that. What do you call it? This cheese would be nice with that.
What
Brie?
cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, the brie.
I think it's 3 o'clock.
Yeah, we got lots of different kinds of cheese there.
Triple brie would be nice with that.
Yeah.
Oh, meron din siyang.
I'll get a plate.
What's your red color?
Ano mga benefit nito sa may
I
health
don't know
benefits ba
at
to?
present moment.
Well, as Sharon.
Para mag-justify natin.
Oh. Is this healthy? The caviar. What's the benefit?
Oh, caviar is healthy.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
a lot of goodness in it. Caviar.
Omega, right? Like,
Yeah, omega-3 and all
Yeah.
that type of thing. Yeah.
Price on the back.
Yeah.
It's changed.
John, have some.
Is it good?
Good.
Oh, babe, I'll make you some.
Oh, one.
Mommy?
It's,
With brie?
It's nice actually.
Here you go, Mama.
Oh.
Thank you, Alo.
Oh, you need to get it.
She put, Daddy?
Huh?
She put?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yes, please.
Yeah,
Thank you.
once she poos, I always think when she poos, I reckon that's why she had that little half hour of. She built
So
up.
that's
What's
brie.
them? Yeah. This is Danny Boy.
Traffic out there.
That's with the brie cheese. But you can try it plain as well if you want.
Thanks to traffic going
Ang sarap.
Yeah, it's good. It's nice.
Wonder why.
I thought I wasn't gonna like it. Akala ko talaga hindi ko siya magugustuhan. Yeah.
Akala ko kasi sabi niya, fishy daw. Hindi.
What does it sound
It's
that song
nice.
there?
You make me move.